Hey guys, Hades here. Not a truck driving video today. Gonna actually do a little hike. Medford Terminal, cleaning out my truck for vacation. Hades.
Oh, hi, Mark. Hey. This is Fritzy. Fritzy. Come here. Fritzy. Fritzy, come on. This way. Come on.
That's what Fritz calls hiking. There's Shitter.
Shitter was full!
Okay, shit about the flora. I thought it'd be about the trail. Look for small signs immediately adjacent to the more common tree and shrub species. Yeah, whatever. So it looks like this area was hit by fire relatively recently. Look at this natural bench. This trail's pretty well taken care of. Not much of a trail, like a walking path in some community or something. Camera though. There's a woodpecker up there. Can't see very well. Oh, no shit. So I guess this is the piddly little place we're hiking to. I guess. No, it's not super impressive. I'm going to try to get a little closer. Okay, this is about as close as I can get. Well, check out my Wolf Creek Falls and Tokenie Falls video if you want to see something a little more, I don't know, big. It's not super impressive like Tokenie or Wolf Creek Falls, but hey, another little hike I got to go on while off. Mark!
Mark here.
And there's the infamous, what's this place called?
Susan Creek.
There's the infamous Susan Creek picnic table. See how the picnic table tries to hide and blend in with the surroundings?
You know what? There's a better view right here.
Mark says there's a better view. Oh yeah. Huh. Glad we came down here. Well, look at that. So they said that was a mile. It did not feel like a mile. Like maybe a third of a mile. Yeah, it did not seem like a mile. I don't know if you're aware of this, but bears are dying out, so the rangers have come out, and what they do is they collect all the bear eggs and lock them up in here until springtime, where they come let them out. Leaves of 3, let it be. 2 by 2, hands of blue. Let me know in the comments if you get that reference. So that was not a mile one way. That wasn't even a mile round trip, I believe. Maybe 60% of a mile is my guess. It was not that far. But I am happy to be out hiking again. That was cool. I usually don't get to, but I'm kind of on vacation now, so kind of get to. Even when I got 3 or 4 days off, I usually don't have the time to go for a little hike. So I'm happy I did it. I would much rather be doing these kind of videos than truck driving, but for now, back to the road. Back to the front.